Alright, it's going to go bottom left. Good luck, senor. Bottom left. This one right here. I'm not. I think he had a stroke. Good luck, Freeman. I think. Time warp. Another relic. Alright, we got Skeet. Ulrich. And behind Skeet, we got George Lazenby, 4 of 10. Very nice. 007. Relic. Another Whitney Houston. Another Whitney Houston we pulled had a bunch of little relics on it and stuff like that. And 6 of 25. Tara Reid. George Lazenby. I don't know why is Tara Reid a main hit? I don't understand. Like, come on. It's just the fact that she's a major hit. I thought George Lazenby would be a major hit over Tara Reid, but Ralph Macchio, Karate Kid. This one is number 14 of 25. Tippy Hedren. Little birds. Somebody pointed that out the other night. This has got 3 birds on Tippy. Got a chrome base. Boy George. Not numbered on Boy George. And 1 of 1 print plate, Jerry Lewis. Very nice. Jay Lewis. Oh yes. And Tim Curry. Very nice selectors right there. It was, but he's looking for him or her. That's who he's looking for, and him. Those are the 2 people he's looking for. Or 3 people, sorry. These are the 3 people on the cover of the box. Him, her. Him, and her. There you got Matt Stoney. And we got a 3-way. Pulled that one the other night, too. Tatiana Ali, Alfonso Ribeiro, and Karen Parsons. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. And a relic, Molly Ringwald. That from 16 Candles, or what was the other movie she made? Breakfast Club. And our final, we got a blue. Jerry Ryan. Blue refractor auto. A blue prism auto. 24 of 25. Jerry Ryan from Star Trek. 7. I didn't know she made any moves after those two. Bottom right again. I don't know much stuff. What the hell is that? First time we've seen her autograph. All 4 are autos. We got Diane Cannon. Oh, Diane Cannon. Revenge of Pink Panther, Ally McBeal, Caddyshack 2. Diane Cannon. Honeysuckle Rose. Red, 4 of 5. Richard Thomas. The Waltons. Richard Thomas. John Boy. And we got another numbered card out of 25. Buster Douglas. What is the Waltons? You got me on that one. Next card is not numbered. Jerry Lewis again. It's a nice Buster Douglas. I gotta find one now for myself. And now we got the bad boxes out of the way. Here come the good boxes. Alright, we're going to start off with Malcolm McDowell. Clockwork Orange. Samantha Fox. Touch Me, I Want Your Body. Huh. Next up, 23 of 25, Bruce Willis. /23 of 25. And next card is not numbered, but it is our second Ed O'Neill that we see out of this. Which movie inspired? Oh, Clockwork Orange. Four touchdowns in one game. And his record has not been broken. I didn't know that. This one right here is going to be the best card.
Another relic. Phil Lamar. Cato Kalin. Why is not numbered? Cato Kalin's not numbered either. Frank Sinatra. Ooh, that's a nice piece. That's a different piece that I've seen for the other Frank Sinatras. And this one is a print plate 101 autograph. And it just got better. It's not giving up, Sanders. He doesn't give up. Keeps at it till he gets it. Daisy Ridley, just in case I need to say the name. Thank you, Freeman.